Welcome to our Bhagavad Gita study class. It is a very beautiful Saturday morning, and we have this opportunity to listen to the divine lectures and learn so much on this day. Without any further delay, let us invite Meenaji to recite a prayer as we thank Hari Guru for their grace.
Thank you, Lavina ji, and Radhe Radhe, everybody. A very warm welcome to all of you for this Bhagavad Gita study session. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gopikam Paramam Shuddham, Gladini Shakti Rupini. And I give it over to Gagan.
As hopefully many of you saw in the flyer or other announcement messages, continuing with our Churn and Learn series, but with a specific theme today, Get Energized. So over the next hour, we'll figure out why that's the theme.
Is it Maya?
Maya, okay, we'll hang on to that.
Superior energy is achieved, the soul.
Radhe Radhe, Anupama ji.
Radhe Radhe Gaganji. Yog Maya?
Yeah, it's a Yog Maya.
It is Yoga Maya.
So for inferior energy, all of you indeed had said it's related to Maya. So Maya or Prakriti or the material energy. On the other hand, a superior energy, some of you got it with the second round. So that's actually Jeev Shakti. That's the superior energy. So souls, we are part of that Jeev Shakti of God. That is indeed a superior energy. And yes, later on also in the chapter or elsewhere in the Bhagavad Gita, we do also learn that Yog Maya, of course, also is a superior energy of God. Chapter 7, verse 4. I think we also talked about this a couple of weeks ago. So there are the 8 components of the material energy. And then in the next verse, Sri Krishna says, such is my inferior energy. So Maya, Prakriti, material energy, such is his inferior energy. But beyond it, he has a superior energy. This is the Jeev Shakti or the soul energy.
Here I would want to say one more thing, Gagan. From that verse number 4, Sri Krishna says himself that it is earth, water, fire, air, space, mind, intellect, and ego. These 8 things, these 8 components are the part of Krishna's material energy. And this is called the inferior energy. And the superior energy is Jeev Shakti, that is soul.
Powerhouse?
Powerhouse, okay, in the right direction there. Lavina ji was right in Hindi and Sanskrit. That's the clue we'll give. She said Shaktiman.
Just the English version of
energy.
Shaktiman.
Okay, no worries. If you get it later, you can type it. But yeah, where are you joining us from, Surya ji?
Yeah, I'm from Jersey, New Jersey.
Okay,
Yeah.
Welcome to the class. So we're going to reveal the answer now. I'm going to also, Mommy, you reveal it. I'm going to type it out in the chat window for everyone so they all get it. A lot of you hopefully will just have an aha moment.
So as Gagan said again and again, that keep the energy word in mind. He is the supreme energetic. Shakti Man. Man means the highest, supreme, and Shakti means the provider of energy, the supreme energetic, okay? Because it is one God, and from there, everybody else gets their energies. That's what we have been learning. So we are just revising what we have learned, and we are only looking at the commentary which Swamiji has given. So we are trying to follow his words.
Suryaji has messaged me and he's saying no. And is there anyone else who wants to just go on audio? So Annapurna ji, you can go ahead, please. Just Give us a yes or
One
no.
word answer is no.
And now what we're going to do is you're going to hear my not so great voice trying to sing something. I don't know if I've ever sung in the study class. And ironically, I'm recovering from a cough and cold. So we'll see how it sounds. But anyway, I'm going to sing just 2 lines and we'll see if anyone can recognize where that is from or where at least the tune or content is from. Jivu Maya Dui Shakti Hai Shaktiman Bhagavan Radhe Radhe Shakti hi Bheda Abheda Bhi Shaktiman Te Jan Radhe Radhe. So, any guesses? I think Anupama ji jumped with her hand. So let's see. Where is that from?
Bhakti Shatak by Kripalaji Maharaj.
Bhakti Shatak. We're talking about Bhagavad Gita study though, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But yeah, you're absolutely right. Not a trick question. And also, if some of you remember, it was in family camp, which some of you were in person or also online.
Right.
Right?
Right.
Absolutely.
जीव माया दुई शक्ति है शक्तिमान भगवान राधे राधे
जीव माया दुई शक्ति है शक्तिमान भगवान राधे राधे
शक्ति भेद अभेद भी शक्तिमान ते जान राधे राधे
जीवु माया दुई शक्ति हैं शक्तिमान भगवान राधे राधे. So the answer is right here. Jivu, Jeev Shakti and Maya Shakti. These are the 2 Shaktis, 2 energies of God, and God is the Shaktiman. He is the supreme energetic. And then the next line is Shakti Hina Bheda Abheda Bhi. So those 2 energies are both one with God also, and they are different from God also. We will understand more from Swamiji's video itself.
So now he is explaining out here that Jeev and Maya, the soul and material energy, are the Shaktis of God. Shakti means energies. So there is God, Maya is his energy, and the soul is also his energy. And these energies and the energetic, they have a simultaneous relationship of oneness and difference. Just like the sun and its light. You can say the sun and light are 2 different objects, or you can say the sun and the light are one. So he has reconciled the viewpoints of the previous acharyas. That's why he was honored by the Kashi Vidvat Parishad as Samanvay Acharya.
That this verse of Bhakti Shatak ties with a very important verse of Bhagavad Gita. And recently we did that chapter. And today, this is a Bhagavad Gita study session. We are just revising, and we are revising through this verse from Bhakti Shatak.
So this is the commentary for one of the verses of chapter 7 that we're building up to. And somewhere here on the right side of the screen, you'll see Bhakti Shatak and the verse number perhaps.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ji.
Yes, absolutely right. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ji. Yep. Thank you so much, Dinesh ji.
Swamiji says he uses logic that he found mind-blowing.
Yes, that's absolutely it. The one word is logic or logical, right? That's what Swamiji said. Okay.
Yeah, Thakurji has sent me the answer already, and it
Okay.
is. Mhm.
Yeah, do you want to read it out, Mom?
Yeah, he said soul and Maya.
Soul and
Mm.
Maya. Yeah, that is correct. And Manjuji has also messaged Maya and Soul.
Radha. So, yeah, I think I tried the video, didn't work. But
Okay.
I think, is it Bhed, a Bhed?
Uh-huh. And can you explain that or translate that?
Yes, that the fact that, the soul and the Param soul or the God, there is similarity and also there is difference.
Yeah, wonderful. Bhed, abhed, simultaneously oneness and perhaps inconceivable difference as well. And I'll say some
He
people
has
have
given
been,
me the right answer already.
yes, Suryaji's messaged me the right answer. Other people also had messaged this thing earlier because everyone was kind of excited, I think, to give that example. So now is
Yeah.
the right time to give that answer. It applies to this question. I see Annapurnaji is on video. Let's hear from her. Radhe, Radhe.
Yeah. Yes, it is sunlight and heat,
Sunlight
Both.
and heat. Yeah. Can you
Yeah.
say that slightly differently, a little more precisely?
Actually,
Where does the
yeah.
sunlight come from?
Sun rays,
Yeah,
he
so-
talks about sun rays in that.
Yes, yes. Correct. Sun and sunlight.
Yeah.
Yep. Thank you so much, Annapurnaji.
Okay.
Radhe, Radhe.
I think I've recently been to the first LTP session with Swamiji. So, please ignore my, sorry, please, excuse me if it's a wrong answer. Is
Sure.
the Jagat Guru, and Jagat Guru, the last word is Tvam, I guess. Those are the two. So he's supreme of all Jagat Gurus, I guess.
Yes, so that is absolutely one of the right answers. Thank you, Suryaji. Jagat Guru, as you said, Jagat Guru Tam, the foremost or supreme of all the 5 original Jagat Gurus. And glad to hear you just got connected very recently. I'm assuming the LTP in New Jersey or the Northeast area. So please do stay connected to the JKYog and organization and Swamiji's family. That is most wonderful.
Samanvaya Acharya, which
Samanvaya
means the
Acharya.
reconciler.
Yeah, tough word. And you're explaining it. So yeah, please go ahead again.
It means the reconciler of all Vedic scriptures.
Oh, now one word is Jagat Guru Uttam. Uttam means the best, supreme. And the other one is Samanvaya Acharya. Samanvaya Acharya. We can separate the word. It's a compound word. Samanvaya Acharya. Samanvaya means to reconcile. What did he reconcile? He reconciled the thoughts of all the previous Jagat Gurus. Okay, Shankaracharya, Madhvacharya. This is the real churning and learning. We have gone through full chapter 7, and now we are trying to revise the verses through churning.
I do have the right answer from Suryaji. I won't mention right now which one, but he has messaged the correct verse. So Lavinaji, enlighten us, please.
I think it's verse 5.
Verse 5. All right. So that is indeed correct. Lavinaji, Suryaji as well. Bhagavad Gita chapter 7, verse 5. Very, very true. So let's reveal that on the screen again for everyone's benefit. So remember, chapter 7, verse 4, if you can now see the screen, We brought it up earlier in the context of Maya, Prakriti, material energy, and as Mummy said, the 8 components of it. So that's chapter 7, verse 4, which is a precursor to chapter 7, verse 5. So please do note that, a very, very pivotal verse where Sri Krishna, as we had told you earlier, said that Maya, Prakriti, that's his inferior energy. Beyond it is the superior energy, Jeev Shakti. And then it's a very long commentary that follows by Swamiji. So again, please go back and revisit it. But then on the second screen for us, and if you remember on the right-hand side, when we asked you to guess the Bhakti Shatak verse, this is where a lot of the Bhakti Shatak content and the explanation of energy, energetic, simultaneous oneness and difference, all is revealed by Swamiji.
Apareyam itastvanya prakritim vidhi me param jiva bhutam mahabaho yayedam dharyate jagat. So this is the verse in which Swamiji has used the verse number 42 of Bhakti Shatak to explain the difference of the different energies of the supreme energetic. That God is the supreme energetic. Jivu Maya Dui Shakti hai Shaktiman Bhagavan Radhe Radhe Shakti Hina Bhed Abhed bhi Shaktiman Tejan Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe. It is such sweet verse, and it explains this verse number 5 of Bhagavad Gita so beautifully. And of course, Swamiji's video, which we watched, explains the whole concept like it is in front of your eyes. See, we just picked up 2 minutes on one point and 5 minutes on the other point. The whole lecture is more than an hour. If you watch that video, it is out of this world, par excellence, amazing. The way Swamiji explains everything. In the video also he says, are you all willing to listen more, or you want me to go into the deeper meaning? And he said that the Vakta means the speaker speaks only about that much, the amount of attention the Shrotas have, you know. So it's a humble request that you all register on the portal page, and then you will be getting the slides and the video, and go through Swamiji's video once again, which will clarify the concepts even further.